Hey fam, this is Julian San Jose and you're tuned into Easy Rock. I'm not saying that. Sabi ko, na kay JM yung phone ko, love. Kasi nagtumatawag pala si Ray kanina, tapos hindi ko nasagot. Sabi ko, kumakanta na kasi ako kanina, na kay JM lang yung phone ko. So, yun. Yeah. Si Ray? Si Ray pa din. I'm so in touch with Ray. It's not actually a picture, but it's like a video. It's a video of me here. It's a video of me here. Yeah. Oh, I hate your face. I'm sorry. I mean, yun yung title ng song. I Hate Your Face by Alameda. Ayan o, Alameda. I hate your face. My wallpaper is this. There. This is my wallpaper. This is a picture of me and Ray nasa nasa London Bridge. Magka-FaceTime kasi kami dalawa. Tapos, wala lang. Pinicturean ko lang siya for some reason. Ayan o, puro yan. Siya rin yan. Siya rin yan. Wala lang. Pag nagme-make face kasi siya, ang cute niya eh. Yeah. Hello everybody, this is Julian San Jose and out na po ang aking latest single called Simula sa lahat po ng digital platforms. You can stream sa Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Amazon, and there's also a lyric video that you can see on YouTube. It's also uploaded there. And wag na wag niyo po kakalimutan na manood po ng All Out Sundays every Sunday as well. I will be in Qatar, January. February, I will be performing in Dubai with Michael Pangilinan. So watch out for that. I will be having a concert. And then I also have a series of shows in US and Canada. So yeah. You can follow my social media accounts, Twitter, MyJaps, Instagram, MyJaps, TikTok, San Jose Jules, and YouTube, official YouTube channel, it's Julie and San Jose Official. And Facebook. Yes. Remember someone today with Julie and San Jose. Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
you can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.